the other part of this is the adductor. So you have, this is my needle right here. You have the adductor, and it connects to the bone in here. And if you reach below the adductor, all these are your hamstrings. That's the superior iliac crest. And all of this is your quadricep up here. So you got the anterior superior iliac crest. And then you got the adductor in between your fingers. So you just stick it. With these needles, you can go about halfway. You just go in and out. I know, you can't see. I'll have to get a different color. And you can just, I pulled the needle out and I walked it down about another 6 inches. Ouch. That was a zinger. Ooh. And that was a release. You can feel it. The energy just goes outwards. Oh, that's normal. There's a little aching in there, and I'm just kind of massaging. And so while you're here, you can still do the adductor. So you want to go straight in this way towards the hip bone, hip joint. It's just another angle. And you just, this you can just push, ooh. You can push all the way in. Usually I do this lying face up, but it's hard to get the camera in that angle. So you can lay in bed and do this, and it's better because you're relaxed, and you want to be relaxed. So the other part of it is, all this is hamstring, 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 hamstring. So you can go in hamstring, hamstring, get all of that. And all of this is quadricep, quadricep. There is an artery but it plunges deep down and it goes to the bone and then it wraps around and it comes out here, down to the leg. But all this is free, basically. You don't have to worry about that. You get the adductor. And then later, I'll show you how to get to the pectineus, this little muscle right in there. You have to put your thumb or your finger on your bone right there. And then there is the adductor. And you just want to go straight in there. And then you'll get it. So the other one is all of this. And you can get all of this. All of that is just glue. And just put the needles in. All of that, all of that. And you want to go all the way down the lateral band. All of this, all of this. Get your lower back, all of that. Get your glute, get your hamstrings, all of that. All of that. Hope y'all having a good day.